Hey Millennium Minders, I'm back with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money by completing tasks and watching videos online. And if you look here right on the screen, okay, you can see these top users here with the user ID has earned so far $663, $525, $474, and so on, just in the last 30 days with this website by completing tasks, watching videos online, and doing the most simple of tasks. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. And the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a new Google tab and you want to type in GrabPoints review. So you can see if I type in GrabPoints review, GrabPoints review 2019, is it a legit or scam? And you can see what is GrabPoints. It has been around since 2014. Is it legit? Legit, it's a basic question, but the most important one, don't worry faithful readers, GrabPoints is indeed legit. So I just wanted to clear this up. This is a legitimate website that pays, as you can see, $663, between $200 and $600, even more if you want to, within 30 days, depending on how many videos or how many tasks you can complete. But this is a legitimate website and I wanted to clear that up. And if you go back to Google and you type in GrabPoints, okay, simple GrabPoints, it will pop up first. GrabPoints earn free gift cards. And this is what the website looks like. When you open it up, you can see these are the different tasks that you can complete to get paid. PayPal Cash, cryptocurrency, there's about 20 different ways you can get paid on this website. By watching TV, watching simple videos, literally leaving tabs open on your computer and watching these videos and earning PayPal money by watching these videos, answering surveys, completing offers, and also downloading apps, which pays the most. And then you can see how it works. So advertisers pay GrabPoints for engagement. So what happens is businesses come to GrabPoints.com. They will pay GrabPoints a certain amount of money for, to test their application, to watch their videos, whatever the type of company is, and then they give you a commission for that. So they recruit members just like you, and you do online activities such as watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, and downloading apps and more. And then you earn free gift cards or PayPal Cash straight to your account. So these are the different ways you can earn PayPal money, Roblox, Fortnite, V-Bucks, Steam, wallets, Google Play, PlayStation Store, Amazon, all these different ways, even Xbox, Minecraft, Mario Kart, Pokemon, Counter-Strike, skins, you can get Facebook, game credits, Apple Music subscription, American Express gift card, Clash of Clans, James. There's so many different ways you can earn, and there's even more if you click on the See All Rewards. And you can see here all the different ways. I mean, you can even earn with Subway and Starbucks. But if I go back to the home page, you can see there are some testimonials here. So easy to do surveys and always pay out when you request. So they do pay instantly straight to your PayPal account or however you decide to get paid out. And you'll see on the top right of the page, there's a login button and there's also a join free section here. So you want to enter your email, password, and confirm your password and sign up with that. Once that's done, you want to log in and it will pop up with your dashboard like this, where you can see the top earners of the month, what they've earned in the last 30 days. So you can see this guy has earned $663 in just the last 30 days. And if I come to completed offers, you can see the top reward so far is PayPal Cash. And if I come up to the top, you can see surveys, videos, offers. There are various different featured offers that you could participate in, and you earn a certain amount of points. And the point system is fairly simple. 1,000 points is equal to $1. So by completing this survey here, you earn $1.4. So all you have to do is there's no limit to the number of surveys you qualify for and complete. So I mean, you can earn $1.4 by completing this survey over and over again. For example, there's various different surveys on the right here. So you can see here's one for 500, 1,000 points. So basically international paid surveys, you earn $1. But the main reason for this video is for watching videos. So if I come over to the watch videos tab on the top of the menu bar, you can see there's hideout.tv. So you can earn 7 points for every 3 videos that you watch with ads. There's also GrabAwards videos where you can watch videos on s'mores, in-game or engage game, and video loyalty. So if I click on the earn button, it's going to open up a new tab called wall.grabrewards.com. Okay, this one doesn't have any content at the moment. So if I go to Hideout TV, you can see they've got various different offers here. So you can see earn 35 points for giving my gender. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to enter my birth date, and it's going to continue asking a bunch of different questions to complete your profile to earn money and points by watching videos on this website. So you just want to complete this as you go through it. It's going to ask you things like what is your occupation, your mailing address, etc. Once that's done, you can watch videos and earn. And I'm just going to complete this quick. And if you click on the video tabs, it'll pop up with a whole bunch of videos here. But because I'm in a South Africa, which is a third world country, I've got no videos available at the moment. But if you're in a country like the US, UK, there are permanently videos available for you. But if I click on the surveys tab or the free tab, you can see there's a task here, a simple survey for 63 or 630 points, which is basically 0.63 US cents, which is a good amount of money for just completing a basic survey like this that is completely free. And you can see there's also shopping. There's more surveys that you can complete. And if I come back to GrabPoints, you can see if I come back to the paid surveys, there are also a whole bunch of different surveys that I can complete. For example, all of these surveys here, 1,400 points, 1,000 points. So these two combined is already $2.4, 640 points, 640 points, and more surveys. And even on the right here, you can see there's PayPal surveys, $3 PayPal redeemed, 450 points, 1,000 points, 1,000 points again, 1,000 points. So that's $1 over and over for completing each of these surveys. And you can also come up to the GrabPoints surveys tab, where you can go over to Peanuts Lab, you can go over to Revenue Wall. There are also a whole bunch of different third-party platforms on this website where you can complete various different surveys and earn more and more. So the amount of surveys available on these websites are constantly, there's so many of them. There's literally an unlimited amount of them for you to do. And I mean, you can always come back. There's always surveys constantly being added to this website. And to sign up with these GrabPoint surveys, such as Revenue Wall, Peanut Labs, Grab Awards, and Theorem Reach survey walls, you obviously need to come over to the website. It's going to ask you basic information such as your email, date of birth. You can then register from there. And then there's also different survey routers. So if I click on this 1,400 points one, I can click on that and click on Earn Now, and it will pop up with another website like this, where it will ask me to, or it will redirect me to this website that is offering the survey. So you want to complete your profile, so just enter your email again, enter your date of birth, and you can see it will then ask you for some more information, such as if you have been involved in any illnesses or illness conditions. So just go none of the above, click next. You want to fill this out because obviously you want to complete your profile so it can match better surveys that are higher paid for you on your profile. So I know it's a bit of an effort or a bit of a slump completing your profile, but once that's done and once these surveys are done, you can come over back to your account and you'll see you will have a certain amount of points. So you can see this one website where I entered my email and verification. I already earned 35 points on the top right, which is basically 0.035 US cents for just, doing a couple of seconds of work, entering a couple of information about myself. And it's as simple as that. And as I say, you can go through all of these surveys, earn as much as you want, work as hard as you want, and earn PayPal money. And if you come over to the rewards page, it's going to give you all the different options or ways that you can withdraw your points to PayPal Cash. So you can see PayPal here at the bottom left, 3,000 points. You need a minimum of 3,000 points, which is $3, which you can withdraw to your PayPal account. So it's really not a lot at all. It's not like it's $10, $20, $50, unlike some of these other ones. So you can also see Roblox, you need a minimum of 10,000 points. Steam, 51,000 points. Scroll, you need 3,600 points, which is at a $3 value. And then PayPal, obviously the best one at 3,000 points, which is $3 that you can withdraw straight to your account. I mean, that is literally 3 surveys. So if I come over back to the live feeds of all the surveys, you can see 1,000 points, that's $1. You can see another 1,000 points, that's another $1. Another 1,000 points, another 1,000 points. That's a total of $4 already by just completing 4 surveys. So it will take you 4 or 5 surveys to be able to withdraw $3 to $4, and that means that this website pays really well. So I think this is definitely a website worth looking at. But if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. If you need any help with this website, you can DM me on Instagram at jfroneman. My Instagram is on my channel banner. So if you need help with websites like this, just send me a DM and I'll help you out with earning on these websites. But let me know what you think of this website. It's a fairly new one, and it is legitimate. As you can do reviews, you can search for a scam or legit review on this website, and every single platform will tell you that this website is legit and true. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below. I'll really appreciate the support, and leave a like, and I'll bring out another amazing video just like this for you tomorrow on how you can earn PayPal money like this. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.